AcademicEnglishAcademy.com, Series 4, Video 1, English Pronunciation, Where Do I Begin? Hi everyone, welcome to the very first pronunciation video from AcademicEnglishAcademy.com. I'm Christy, and I'm going to be going over some helpful tips that I think will be useful to beginner and intermediate students who are just learning English. Okay, so let's go over some basic things. The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters here, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z are called consonants. Okay? And here we have 6 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and Y. Now, if you will look here, C, G, L, T, A, E, I, O, U, and Y. These are in red because these letters are the problem letters in the alphabet. They change their sound. Depending on what word they are in, they will make different sounds that you are not expecting them to make. And this is where people struggle when learning English. So we're going to go over some things that I hope you'll find helpful. Different sounds letters can make. Now these are just a few examples, but they're popular words in the language, so I want to go over these with you. Now we have something called a diphthong. Diphthong. There are 2 vowel sounds joined in one syllable to form one sound. So here we have O and U. There are 2 letters, 2 vowels, but they only make one sound. This is the word out. Here, the O and the Y make the oi sound, boy. It's only one sound. Now we have consonant clusters. 2 consonants that are together to make one sound. So here we have the B and the L, black. They blend together, the sounds come together, black. Bread, and the B and the R. Here in church, the C and the H make one sound, church. And then finally in the word clock, the C and the L make one sound, clock. Okay, we will begin with syllables. What exactly is a syllable? Okay, a syllable is part of a word that contains a vowel sound. So there are many textbooks out there that explain this in different ways, but I found it most helpful to do it this way with my students. This really helped the beginners move up to the intermediate level. So you're going to see here that sometimes there are 2 vowels, but they only make one sound. So when you're looking at syllables, it's part of a word. You have to break the word into pieces to help your pronunciation, okay? And you'll know where to break the word when you can hear the vowel sound. So let's take a look at this here. And also, when you count the syllables, it's a good idea to tap. You can tap on your arm, you can tap on your leg, you can tap on a table, okay? So let's take a look at this. I'm going to tap right up here. That way I'm not touching the screen and it won't change. So the first word is me, M-E. It has only one sound, so it has one syllable. School, only one vowel sound. There's 2 O's, but they only make one sound. School, one syllable. Same thing with book, book. Now here, number 4 is the word airport. It has 2 different vowel sounds, so there's 2 syllables. Airport, airport. Prepare, prepare. The E and the A-R-E make 2 different vowel sounds. Even though there's 3 vowels, they only make 2 sounds. You're going to find that very often in American words. When you put certain vowels together, only one of them makes a sound, or they make completely different sounds. Here's a longer word, journalist, journalist. The OU is one sound, the A is one sound, and the I is one sound. Journalist. This L sounds like it carries over as if there's two L's there, but it's just one L. Here the word education. You're going to hear a different sound in here. This D makes like a sh sound. Education. Education. 4 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowel sounds, but 4 syllables. Okay, why don't you practice your name and country using syllables? Okay, let's take the word Anna, the name Anna. Anna. Let's take look at the name Juan. There's 2 vowels, but only 1 sound. Juan. Octavio. Octavio. 4 different sounds. Let's take a look at the name Muhammad. Mohammed. 3 different sounds. 3 different vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the name Miriam. Maryam. 3 vowels, and they actually have 3 different sounds here. Okay, let's take a look at some countries. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Colombia. 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 Libya. Libya. America. 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 By breaking words into syllables, it will help your pronunciation, and it will also help people understand you as well. Okay, let's take a look at some of the common names in a classroom. These are some of the common things we would find in a classroom, and we're going to go over them together. I highlighted the different sounds that the syllable groups are making. The vowels, some of them you'll see are together, different vowels. They're only making 1 sound. Okay, let's start at the beginning here. Okay, number 1 is door. Door, 1 sound. 2, window. Window. The I and the O, window. Teacher. The E and the A only make 1 sound. Teacher. Student. The U and the E make 2 different sounds. Student. Whiteboard. This is kind of like a whiteboard that I'm using, okay? So the I only makes a sound. The E here is silent. It makes no sound. And the O and the A make an O sound. Whiteboard. Screen. This is a screen. 2 E's make the E sound. Screen. Just 1 sound. Here, number 7 is computer. 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 Desk. This E makes a different sound than this one does. Desk. Carpet. 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 Wall. Only 1 sound. Ceiling makes 2 sounds. Ceiling. Pen, just 1 sound. Pencil. We have an E and an I. Pencil. Paper. We have an A and an E. Paper. 2 sounds. Keyboard. We have 3 vowels, but only 2 sounds. Keyboard. And finally, number 16 is light. We only have 1 vowel sound. Light. Okay? So try practicing those at home. Pause the video. Try practicing them. Tap them out on your table right next to you. Tap them out on your leg under the desk. Okay? See if you can get a hang of these. And these are a good set of beginning words that you could use in your vocabulary and work on your pronunciation. Now, I'm sure you see a lot of things here that you have questions about, but that will be for different videos. Pronunciation is a really hard subject to teach because there's always going to be a question about something. It's impossible to learn every rule before you begin reading and speaking and writing English. So you just have to take it one video at a time, okay? Now on the last slide, this is a really useful website that I like. It didn't come up. Okay. Now, this is Merriam-Webster.com, okay? You can use this website to help you look up words that you're not sure how to pronounce, okay? So here is the word education, like we just looked at, and here you could tap the microphone and it should,
education.
There we go. It will pronounce the word for you. And you can do this over and over again, and you can practice
Education.
along with it.
Education.
Even if you don't quite understand the different symbols here and the way they broke this up, that's okay. Keep hitting the microphone.
Education.
And listening. Louise would say this is good for your listening, and see if you can match your pronunciation, okay? Try a website like this. If you find another helpful website, email us or put it up on our Facebook page so we can tell others about it. Thank you so much, and look forward to the next pronunciation videos that will be coming out next week.